Imagine if I told you that these free AI tools can save your 5 to 10 hours every single week. Whether you are a student, freelancer, content creator or office worker, these AI tools can do your work in minutes. और सबसे अमेजिंग बात, मोस्ट ऑफ दीज टूल्स आर कम्प्लीटली फ्री. सो बिफोर यू वेस्ट अनदर आवर डूइंग थिंग्स मैनुअली, वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल एंड because tool number 1 is literally changing the way people work in 2026. So let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Anu and on this channel we talk about AI, tech, online earning and work from home opportunities. So if you want to learn smart ways to work and earn online, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now let's jump into our list. Number 10. Have you ever written an email or assignment and wondered if it sounds professional? That's where Grammarly AI comes in. It automatically fixes grammar, spelling, punctuation and even improves your writing style. Writing कर सकते हो. Perfect for students, bloggers and professionals. Number 9. Gamma AI. Creating PowerPoint presentation normally takes hours, but Gamma AI create beautiful presentations in just a few minutes. Simply type your topic, digital marketing for beginners, and Gamma automatically creates slides with text, design and images. सच बोलूं, अगर प्रेजेंटेशन बनाने में 3 घंटे लगते हैं तो गामा उसे 3 मिनट में कर देता है. नंबर 8. Notion AI. If you have someone who forget tasks or struggles to stay organized, Notion AI is a lifesaver. It can create notes, summarize long documents, write blogs, generate meeting notes, and even plan your day. Think of it as your personal AI assistant. Number 7. Canva AI. Most people know Canva, but very few know about Canva AI. It can generate images, remove backgrounds, write social media captions, create thumbnails and even make videos. अगर आप YouTube या Instagram चलाते हो, this tool is a must have. Number 6. 11 Labs. Ever wanted AI voices that sound exactly like humans? Meet 11 Labs. You can convert text into realistic voiceovers in multiple languages. Perfect for YouTube videos, audiobooks, explainer videos and podcasts. इसकी वॉइस इतनी नेचुरल लगती है कि लोग डिफरेंस नहीं समझ पाते. नंबर 5. Perplexity AI. Instead of searching through 20 different websites, use Perplexity AI. It gives direct answer with sources. It's like Google plus ChatGPT combined. Perfect for research, assignment and learning new topics. रिसर्च का टाइम लिटरली हाफ हो जाता है. Number 4. ChatGPT. Of course, we can't make this list without ChatGPT. It helps with writing, coding, learning, brainstorming, emails, scripts, business ideas, resumes, interviews. Basically, if you can ask it, it can probably help you. मैं पर्सनली इस टूल को डेली यूज़ करती हूँ. Number 3. Leonardo AI. Want amazing AI images? Leonardo AI lets you create professional artwork, gaming characters, product images, logos and YouTube thumbnails. Just describe your idea and AI creates it. ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनर हायर करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ती. Number 2. CapCut AI. Editing videos used to take hours. Now CapCut AI can automatically generate captions, remove background, translate videos, create shorts and even edit videos using AI. Perfect for beginners. अगर आप content creator हो, this tool can save you a lot of time. Number 1. Google AI Studio. This is probably one of the most underrated AI tools right now. Google AI Studio lets you use powerful AI models, generate text, analyze image, write code, create app and even build a AI workflow. The best part, many features are available for free. अगर आप AI सीरियसली सीखना चाहते हो, then this is one tool you should definitely explore. Here is a bonus AI tool, Notebook LM. Upload your PDFs, notes, research papers and AI can summarize anything, answer questions and even create podcast style discussions. स्टूडेंट के लिए एक गेम चेंजर है. So these were the top 10 free AI tools that can save your hours of work every week. Now I want to ask you, which AI tool are you already using? Comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe because every week I bring you the latest AI tool, tech update and online earning tips. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, work smart, keep learning and keep growing.